Hello everyone, it's your columnist, and today we have a review of the latest action camera from GoPro, namely the GoPro Hero 12. You can also check out the video about its younger sibling, the GoPro Hero 11. Today we will explore how this camera performs in the market and whether it can compete with its rivals. I'll try to be objective. Now, let's get started with this review. The camera captures footage in 5K resolution at 60 frames per second. The field of view remains at 155 degrees, but with the Max Lens Mode 2.0, shooting at 4K 60 fps allows you to increase this to 177 degrees. A new stabilization feature has been added, HyperSmooth 6.0, which eliminates shakes, offering the widest field of view at 8x7. Additionally, the 360D horizon lock works accurately. Video recording with a depth of 10 bits is still available. The company has improved every aspect of video shooting. Thanks to the updated sensor, the Hero 12 provides impressive resolution for clear and detailed photos. The camera offers a variety of modes, including time-lapse, burst mode, and single shots, providing flexibility in choosing your shooting approach. The Super Photo feature automatically optimizes settings for the best shots without the need for manual adjustments. There's also a new interval photo capture feature, allowing you to create stunning time lapses. Battery. The GoPro Hero 12 manufacturers have put a lot of effort into the battery. The camera now performs better in cold conditions with Enduro technology, despite the battery capacity remaining at the same level, 1720 mAh. The camera's runtime has nearly doubled. This was made possible by disabling the GPS function, which significantly improved the camera's runtime. It turns out that the GPS function consumed a significant amount of the camera's resources. In this section, we will touch upon additional features that were not covered in the video. The camera has introduced a new mounting system, reducing the risk of losing the camera during extreme descents or on uneven surfaces due to unreliable mounting. Synchronization via timecodes has been added, easing the workflow in editing programs. The camera has maintained its size, which is a plus, as all devices and media modes will be compatible with the new 12 version. Today we've analyzed the new camera from GoPro and observed how they strive to enhance their product by adding new features or refining existing ones. Based on the reviewed specifications, the GoPro Hero 12 stands out as the most technologically advanced camera in 2024. However, it's worth noting that we can expect the GoPro Hero 13 later this year. Thank you all for watching, and good luck.